Are you holding off on buying a new tablet because of the Apple iPad 12 rumors? Well, stop right there. We finally have a solid update straight from inside Apple's roadmap, and things are getting interesting. According to trusted Apple insider Mark Gurman, the iPad 12 is basically finished. Yep, it's reportedly sitting in warehouses, just waiting for Apple to give the green light. So if you thought Apple quietly cancelled it, that's not happening. Now here's where things get strategic. Apple recently focused heavily on launching the MacBook Neo and releasing the iPad 12 at the same time. That would have created confusion. People would start asking, should I buy the budget iPad or the new MacBook? So Apple did what it always does. Stagger the launches to control attention. Now let's talk upgrades, because this is where it gets exciting. The iPad 12 is expected to feature the Apple A18 chip. That's a huge deal. Why? Because it finally brings Apple Intelligence features to the base iPad lineup, smarter Siri, AI writing tools, image generation features. Basically, the base iPad is finally catching up with the rest of the lineup. On top of that, leaks suggest 8 GB of RAM. That means better multitasking, more apps running smoothly, longer lifespan for the device. Even if you don't care about AI right now, this upgrade makes the iPad 12 future-proof. Don't expect a major redesign though. Apple already refreshed the look in 2022, so, same flat-edge design. Possibly new colors, hopefully something bold eyes. The display will likely stay non-laminated to keep costs low. No OLED. No 120Hz promotion. And honestly, that's fine. This iPad is meant to be affordable, simple, and reliable. Price is expected to stay around $349, making it perfect for students, casual users, first-time iPad buyers. As for launch timing, April 2026 is the most likely window. If not, expect it in September. So, should you wait? Yes, 100%. The jump to A18 plus 8 GB RAM makes this a much better long-term buy. And even if you don't upgrade, the current iPad will get cheaper once this launches. So either way, you win. The iPad 12 isn't cancelled, it's just fashionably late. And when it arrives, it might be the best budget tablet upgrade Apple has made in years. So, are you waiting for it, or buying something else? Let me know in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for the latest Apple leaks.